Have you ever wanted to really, truly get a handle on artificial intelligence, but the sheer amount of information out there just felt, well, overwhelming? Today, we're going to break down a simple, structured path that promises to take you from curious to confident. So let's get into exactly how you can conquer that feeling and start building some real AI skills.
All right, so first, let's talk about the core problem here, what I like to call the AI learning dilemma. It's a feeling I think a lot of us have had when trying to tackle something huge and new. So does this sound familiar? You hear about all these amazing new AI tools, you see the incredible stuff people are creating, and you think, man, I want to do that. But you have absolutely no clue where to even start. And you know what? That feeling is completely normal. The world of AI is huge, and it can be super intimidating. That initial hurdle is honestly the biggest reason so many people who are genuinely curious just never get started. But what if there was a way to break it all down? Well, the solution is way simpler than you might think, and it really comes down to two key numbers. The first number, 28, as in 28 days. That's about how long it takes to form a new habit and build a really solid foundation. And the second number, now this one is the real game changer, just 15. That's it, 15 minutes a day. When you commit to only 15 minutes, suddenly making progress doesn't just feel possible, it feels easy. So how does this all come together? It's all wrapped up in a guided journey that basically takes all the guesswork out of learning. Let's dive in and see how it actually works. The platform is called AI Master. And get this, it's a completely free web app that acts as your personal guide. The whole idea is super simple. It's a 28-day course where you get to explore one new, interesting AI tool every single day.
And that is the core promise right there. 28 days, 28 tools. It's all about learning through these small, steady, daily wins. So instead of just drowning in theory, you're actually doing stuff. You're engaging with a new piece of tech each day and building your confidence one little lesson at a time.
Now, what's really cool is how this whole journey is put together. It's not just some random list of tools. Nope. It's a really carefully planned 4-week itinerary designed to give you a well-rounded look at what AI can actually do. Okay, so check this out. Week 1 is all about laying the groundwork. Fundamentals and creativity. So you're learning about prompts, research, even making images. Then, Week 2 pivots to productivity, showing you how AI can help with writing and just getting organized. Week 3 dives into the really fun stuff, audio and video. And then Week 4, it brings it all home with a focus on wellness and balance. See? This structure shows you that AI isn't just for work, it can literally enhance your whole life.
And you start getting practical skills from day one. Seriously, day one. Instead of just vague advice, you learn this concrete framework for writing better prompts. You just define the AI's role, you state the specific task you want it to do, and then you set the constraints or the rules. It's such a simple little formula, but man, it gets you way better results from tools like ChatGPT, instantly.
The course itself is fantastic, but the app has some specific features built right in to make the whole learning experience even smoother and, honestly, more effective.
So, your learning dashboard is just clean and simple. You've got a progress bar right at the top, and each day's lesson is on this neat little tool card. When you finish a lesson, you click that complete button and get that little satisfying dopamine hit of progress. And of course, everything's synced to the cloud, so you can just pick up right where you left off on any device.
But here's something I think is really cool. The app does more than just throw information at you. It has this one feature specifically designed to stop you from just, passively skimming the content and to get you to really engage with it.
It's called Spark Reflection. And here's how it works. After you take some notes on a lesson, this feature uses Google's powerful Gemini AI to analyze what you wrote and what the lesson was about, and then it generates a personalized question just for you. So get this, it's not some generic quiz, it's a tailored prompt to make you think more deeply about what you just learned. It's kind of like having a private tutor right there with you.
And of course, after you've put in the work for 28 days, you get to celebrate. The app gives you a personalized certificate of completion that you can totally share in your LinkedIn profile or, add to your resume. Okay, so this all sounds pretty great, but let's ask the big question. Who is this really for? Is this guided journey the right fit for you?
The answer is, it's for pretty much anyone with a bit of curiosity. It's perfect for beginners who feel totally lost and need some structure. It's a massive help for students looking to supercharge their research and writing. And it's invaluable for professionals and entrepreneurs who want to start using these powerful tools in their actual day-to-day workflow.
And the best part? The barrier to entry is practically zero. The app is free, you don't need any expensive software or subscriptions to get going. Seriously, all you need to bring to the table is an internet connection and a little bit of curiosity to learn something new.
So to kind of wrap this up, let's look at the core philosophy here. The reason why this bite-sized, daily approach is so effective for learning a massive topic like AI.
You know the old way of learning, right? It's hours of videos, overwhelming theory, and just a whole lot of intimidation. Well, this method completely flips that on its head. It respects your time with 15-minute lessons, it focuses on daily hands-on practice, and it systematically builds your confidence.
And this is really the key takeaway. By the end of the 28 days, you haven't just learned about AI from a distance. You've actually built a practical, hands-on skill set that covers creativity, productivity, and even your personal wellness. You literally walk away with a toolbox of 28 different AI applications you know how to use.
So I'll just leave you with this one last thought. If you've been on the fence, waiting for the perfect time or the perfect course to finally start your journey into artificial intelligence, what if this is the sign you've been waiting for?
Check it out today at amaster.gleamsoul.com. And thank you for joining us here on the InfoDrop channel.